Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating a free website with Hosteasy. First, log in to your control panel. Once you're in, go to the Extra Features section and select Softaculous Apps Installer. From there, click on SitePad Website Builder. SitePad comes with many amazing features like one-click publish, over 360 themes, widgets, responsive templates, a cache system, and an easy-to-use interface. To start, click on Get Started. Next, click on Install and choose the domain where you want to install the website builder. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive the site URL and the admin page link. Click on the admin page URL to start editing your website. Click on Get Started to design your website for free. Select a theme that you like, apply it, and proceed to install. Once the setup is complete, we'll now be redirected to the SitePad editor, where you have various options to edit the theme based on your requirements. On the left pane, you could see multiple options to make changes to the template. Click on the respective fields to edit your template as per your requirements. After making your changes, click on Update button seen at the top. Navigate to your website link to see the changes in action. If you need to make further edits, you can use the administrative page to update your content. And that's it. You've successfully created a free website with Hosteasy. Enjoy your new site and happy building!